Got an E error flashing on your Casio HR 150 TEC calculator? Don't worry. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Understand the error. The E on your Casio HR 150 TEC usually means you've entered an invalid function, or the memory is overloaded. It's like the calculator saying, "I'm confused." Step 2. Clear the error. Simply press the CE/C button once or twice to cancel the error. If that doesn't work, press the AC button to reset the current operation. Step 3. Reset the calculator, if needed. If the error persists, turn the calculator off using the switch, then back on. Still not fixed? Use a small pin to press the reset button, usually on the back or near the paper feed. Step 4. Check input. Make sure your formulas or calculations don't exceed memory or use unsupported functions. Extra tip. Remove and reinsert the batteries if nothing works. This often helps clear internal memory glitches. That's it. You fixed the error and your calculator is ready to go. Like and follow for more quick tech fixes.